Do you offer free shipping on your products, or do you sell digital products so you don't charge for shipping? So let's remove this message and this message so you don't confuse your customers with this shipping calculator at checkout. Hola, and welcome to my channel where I teach you all of my tips, tricks, and resources so that you can build a Shopify store that you're proud of. My name is Betsy, and I'm super happy that you're here. Let's jump on to your Shopify dashboard where I'm going to teach you how to do this in your Dawn theme. Let's go. So I went ahead and uploaded a fresh copy of Dawn theme because I have already removed those messages from the theme I currently have published. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this so that you can see it. I'm going to also open a couple of windows here so that we can go back and forth and you can see. So I'm going to open a customized window. So the theme customizer, let's open that up. And then let's open up a preview of what would be the live site. So you can also see the changes live as well. All right, perfect. So in the customize, so I already have this open. We're going to go to your product page. All right. And here is what I want to remove, where it says right here, where it says shipping calculated at checkout. So this message here, so as you can tell from these sections here, you can't highlight this, right? Which means you can't change it from the theme customizer, right? So if you click on the text, that is for this up here. If you click on the title, that's for the title, variants, right? So this is being inherited from the editor, right? So you can't change it from here. You can't change it from the customize. So what you need to do here, and I'm going to go here as well so you can see the actual shop, right? So there it is here, shipping calculated at checkout. So if you don't charge shipping, right, there is no need for this message to be here. It just causes confusion, especially if you have your welcome banner up here says free shipping, right? Or if you sell digital products, there won't be any shipping charge for that, correct? So we're going to go in here and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to come here to those three dots right here. You're going to come down to where it says edit default theme content. Okay. All right. Then we're going to go to products. And then we're going to scroll down to where you have the shipping. So it's right here where it says shipping policy. So you see where it says here, this is going to be a link. So this is where the link is, shipping link calculated at checkout, right? So that's exactly what this is here, right? This is a link. If you click on that link, it takes you to the shipping page, which I don't have one because I just uploaded this theme, right? So that's what that would take you to your shipping page. So we're going to go ahead and all you need to do is just click on the information and just press enter and save. That's it. All right, so we're going to come right over here. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this page so you can see it live. All right, there, it's gone. Now let's go to the live site. Let's refresh this one. And boom, it's gone. Okay. So the second section where you will also remove it. So if you were to add this to the cart, and if you're using Sense theme in this, the draw cart, it also has shipping calculated at checkout. But the next step, it'll remove it from your cart drawer and it will remove it from the cart page. Okay, so let's go to the cart page. Okay, so here it is here. This is the second page that a customer will see this message. And here it says taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. Okay, so for this one, we're going to go back to the editor. And this time we're going to go to sections. Section is going to be in sections. So we're going to go to cart, and it's cart's right here. And we're going to come down to, we see where it says taxes included. Okay, so it will be, let's go back because I want you to always double check this. See where it says taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. That's what you're looking for. So taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. Okay, so this is the one that we want right up here. Okay, so for this one, what you're going to do is you're just going to click right in here and you're just going to remove just the shipping part. So it's just going to say taxes calculated at checkout. Okay, so just remove that section there. Click save. Let's come back to the cart. Let's refresh that, and ta-dam, taxes calculated at checkout. Okay, all right, so that causes no confusion. So we don't get to this page, I'm like, wait a minute, you said there's no, it's free shipping, right? And then they come and they see that message, cause some confusion. Okay, and then so that's it for the cart page. So now we go to the checkout page. So this could be the third section where you might want to remove it. It's completely up to you. So it would be here where it says calculated at next step. So you could either just leave this alone if you'd like. Shopify is rolling out this year the one-page checkout. So you might just want to leave this alone since it's going to be the one-page checkout, which means the one-page checkout, if you don't know, means that instead of coming here and putting their information, then clicking here, going to the shipping, and then clicking again and going to payment. So that is going to go away. So everything will be on one page. So they'll put the information, they'll scroll, put the shipping, scroll, put the payment, right? So they don't have to click to the through these three sections here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the one page checkout. So if you don't already have this in your store, it will be coming this year. With that said, if you want to go ahead and remove that from there, let me show you how to do that. So we're going to go back to the editor. And now this time in the editor, you're going to go to the checkout and systems. Since I'm talking, let me go back, calculated at next step. So shipping calculated at next step. So for this one, it'll be easier to just type it in. If you type in here, shipping calculated at checkout, you're going to get a whole list, right? And because that appears in different sections of your website. But for this one, it's not going to because it's just in that one section, right? So just, you can just type it here, right? And it comes up right here, calculated at next step. So it's the second option. Okay, so you can start typing and it'll come up. So this is where this would be. So just click right inside of the box, press this space bar, press save. All right, and then we come over here and refresh, and it's gone. Ta-da! I hope that I delivered on my promise. Give me a thumbs up, hit that follow button, and if you like, hit the notification so that you get notified when the video comes out, which comes out every Wednesday. All right, until next time, my friends, adios. Or your cart page, or until next time, ciao. Ciao. Since when do I say ciao?